In this session, we are going to be practicing foam stamping. And these are two examples of foam stamping, so you can get an idea of the effect you can get using foam stamping. Now, in order to make this craft, we're going to need a sheet of paper, some adhesive foam stickers, some bottle caps, and you want to have bottle caps that are large enough for your foam stickers, paint of course, and a paintbrush. Let's get started. We're going to start by creating our stamp by attaching the foam sticker to the bottle cap. And you can use whatever shapes you have available to you. I'm using these butterflies and dragonflies. Okay, now that we have our foam stamps, we're going to go to the next step. I'm going to start with blue paint. I'm going to wet my brush, and I like to use the cup of my paint. Now I'm applying paint. I'm just putting paint on the bristles part of the brush. I'm not putting paint all the way up here since I'm not painting with that section. And I'm going to take my paint and apply it onto my foam sticker. I'm not going to dip the foam sticker into paint. I'm going to take the brush and apply paint onto the foam sticker. That's going to make it much less messy, right? And now I'm going to stick my foam sticker onto my paper. And there we have our perfect little butterfly. Okay, I'm going to move on now to red, and I'm going to start using my dragonfly stamp. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to continue stamping until I have filled my entire paper, such as this sample that I've done here. I hope you have fun making this craft. Remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel.